Hello, teacher. This is the second exercise of the Unit 1. 2.1. Write the ordinary English word. Write the ordinary English words for the corresponding anatomical terms in the table using your medical knowledge. Anatomical term and common word. Abdomen, stomach. Axilla, armpit. Carpus, hand. Coxa, hip. Cubitus, forearm. Mama, breast. Nates, buttock. Patella, knee. 2.2. Complete a sentence using ordinary English words. A male patient describing angina pectoris. It's like a tightness across my chest, and it goes up neck, my shoulder, and into my left armpit, and upper arm, the left elbow. B. A male patient describing renal colic. It starts back the loin and goes into the hip and growing into the testicle. 2.3. Complete the sentence. Anatomical term, patient's statement. 1. Anginal swelling. If I've got a lump in the groin. 2. Abdominal pain. My little boys caught a stomachache. 3. Periumbilical rash. I've got some spots around my navel. 4. Thoracic pain. I've got a pain in the middle of the chest. 5. Enlarged axillary node. Enlarged axillary node. There's a painful swelling in my armpit. 6. Mandibular pain. I've got a pain in my jaw. Okay. 2.4. Complete the table with words for the box. Okay. Trunk, abdomen, chest, loin. Upper arm, wrist, arm, finger, and elbow. Lower limb, thigh, leg, and knee.